The Worx electric screwdriver kit is awesome because it all comes in this little case, and this thing is super powerful while still being very compact. What I like about this is the controls are on the back of it in a very nice spot. You can always lower the torque if you don't want it to be quite as powerful. It uses USB-C to recharge it, and you get a little cable in the box. This carrying case keeps tons of bits, so you have some Torx bits as well as some small electronics type bits and also tiny Phillips bits. So pretty much everything you need in this, and if you don't have the bit in this, you can always use this with a small electronics repair kit. And it's also got this bit extender if you need to get a little more distance. And then in the box you also have an adapter that lets you use even the tiniest of bits. So if you got another small electronics style kit, then you're still going to be able to use them with this Worx electric screwdriver. You can also very easily adjust the torque just with the top. So if you don't want to strip a screw, or if you don't want it to be quite as powerful, you can always lower that setting and you can go in or out. Or if you just want to use this as a screwdriver without the power, then you just flip the switch on the bottom, that turns it off and it locks the screwdriver in place. Really recommend you pick this up if you do any type of repair work where a drill can be kind of heavy, but you still want some power, but also the ability to back off the power as well. Really love this Worx electric screwdriver.